Aurore.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload a video onto YouTube so then you can use it on your blog or on your Facebook fan page, well, wherever you want. So let's get started. So I'm using Google Chrome at the moment. So hopefully you already know how to upload a video onto your computer. So once you get on this page, let's say your video is already done, simply go to upload here at the top of the page and you will see the following. So I will be going to my Finder and select a video in my movies folder. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to use the following Z&Z Simple. So what I do, and that's the beauty of having a Mac, I will simply drag and drop my file just in the middle of the page and it's starting to upload. Once it's uploading, I can simply here change the title and say Z&Z Simple, for instance, write a description. Start first with a website so then people can go directly into the information you are providing them with. So aurorejones.com, check out how to use Z&Z Simple. It's just an example. There we go. So my video will be ready soon. And then you need to find some tags. So some tags is under which words people will be able to find your video, and it is very important for you to find the right tags. So the first one would be Z&Z Simple, for instance. I know that something related to it would be Z&Z one, so I type in another one. My website is called Z&Z on Steroids, so I'm going to type it in as well because I know that people will be looking for this type of videos as well. I've got as well Z&Z Z&Z Big Cash, Z&Z Cash, and the list goes on. Here, for your title, I mentioned to forget, try to write something like interesting, something compelling for the person to click on it. So bring it a bit of interest. Like instead of having Z&Z Simple, I'm going to say Z&Z Simple Revealed. Secrets revealed. Okay, so just for the purpose of doing this video, so my title now has changed and you need to make sure and the upload is now complete. This is my new URL that I can use. You need to make sure that for your privacy settings it is on public. If you leave your link on private or unlisted, people are not going to be able to see your video, so make sure that your privacy settings is set on public. Now, what about the category you're going to use? I usually use how to and style, and you just leave it right there, that's fine. Then you will have the choice of 3 thumbnails. So choose the one which is the best for you. So I'm going to, well, the one I've got right here is fine. And here we go. So all the changes have been saved. But if you wanted to use another thumbnail, well, let's say I was to click on the first one. Then I would click on Save Changes. And all the changes have been saved. Now, If I wanted to have a look at my video, I simply click here at the top just below the title. And as you can see, here is my video. People can access directly the website to get access to ZNZ Simple. Okay, so your information are there because you want to make a video to attract some people and to take action on what you are telling them. So this is one video. Here we go, my tags, how to, public. I don't want to change anything. If I wanted to change the title, I would simply need to go at the top here where it says edit. I click on edit. Alright, we've actually changed it. So yeah, so if I click on edit, I can simply change my title just right here. I can change everything else really. Enhancements. So if you wanted to change the colors of your video, when you've got audio annotations, which is quite good if you wanted to link like one video to the other. So for instance, if I click right here, I can have a speech bubble or note or title or whichever you want. So let's say I use a spotlight. So it's going to be just right here. If I want to change the position, I move it, and I can move the annotation as well. And I can have something which says oh no, it wasn't spotlight I wanted. So if I simply delete this by clicking on the trash sign on the side, and I want to use instead speech bubble. So here we go, speech bubble, and I'm going to say go to HTTP. So obviously, you know, you can really write whatever you want on this section. Oops, come on. So here we go. And if you wanted to add a link, but the link can only be another YouTube video, so you will do that. So I'm going to uncheck it and save and publish, which means that when people will watch your video at 19 seconds, there will be this annotation coming up, and it will last for about 40 seconds. Okay, so it's actually quite simple really to upload a video onto YouTube. And if you wanted to share it, for instance, on your blog, for instance, you would simply need to do the following. So you will go to share, and you click on this link, and you can share it on YouTube, you can share it in an email, you can share it wherever you want. Now, if you wanted to have the embedded code to add it on your blog, you will need to go here. You go to embed, you take this iframe code, and you can actually change the size by clicking on these boxes. So here I've got 650 by 480 pixels. I can have it much smaller or bigger, and as you see, the numbers here are changing. So it's already highlighted in blue. I copy and then paste onto my blog. There we go. So you can also like your video on Google Plus, share it directly from here on Facebook and Twitter. So it's really self-explanatory and simple. And that's the end of this video. So leave me a message if you enjoyed this video about how to upload a video on YouTube, and I will get back to you later on. So it was Aurore Jones at aurorejones.com. Speak to you later. Bye.